Hello everyone! Welcome to the Port Calls YouTube channel. Our video today deals with the customs regulation on cargo tracking. The Bureau of Customs recently ordered tracking and tracing of containerized import shipments from Manila headed to all economic zones and free ports. The implementation includes shipments from the Port of Manila and Manila International Container Port to Philippine Economic Zone Authorities, ECOZONES, and free ports not included in previous implementations of the Electronic Tracking of Containerized Cargo System or eTrack. Take note, customs officers will not approve any customs clearance without eTrack booking for such shipments. According to Assessment and Operations Coordinating Group, Memo number 293-2021 dated June 17, 2020, and which took immediate effect, PEZA ecozones covered by eTrack include Victoria Wave Special Economic Zone, Asahi Special Economic Zone, FTI Special Economic Zone, Gateway Business Park, John Hay Special Economic Zone, Daiichi Industrial Park, and all other PEZA ecozones not included in previous implementation memos. For free ports included are Clark Freeport Zone, Poro Point Freeport Zone, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, Freeport Area of Bataan, and all other Freeport zones excluded from previous implementation memos. eTrack is a web-based system launched by the BOC last year to track inland movement of containerized cargoes during transit and transfer to other customs territories and facilities. It allows BOC to track, monitor, and audit the location and condition of cargoes, as well as obtain real-time alarms on diversion and tampering of cargoes. Under the system, an electronic customs seal or ECS must be affixed on container vans before vans are cleared to depart from the point of discharge to the point of destination. Specifically, an ECS is required during 1. The transfer of cargo to a container yard, container freight station, or other customs facilities and warehouses. 2. Transport of cargo bound for free zones, inland customs office, depots or terminals. 3. Transit to customs bonded warehouse. 4. Export of cargo from free zones, inland customs office, depots or terminals, and CBWs to port of loading. And 5. Transfer of shipments subject to further verification and or monitoring. The ECS is designed to emit an alert on any tampering to allow BOC to act swiftly to prevent any smuggling activities. For more details of this story, go to www.portcalls.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the Port Calls YouTube channel.